Narwhal's Otter Friend by Ben Clanton.
Jealous jelly.
Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks!
And keep reading. If Narwhal has found a new friend, then so will I. Turtle, want to go eat waffles with me?
I totally would, but it's my pal Shelly's birthday celebration today. Maybe later?
Right, sure, have fun celebrating. Shark, what's up?
Jelly! I'm off to play boy ball with my best bud octopus. Want to join?
Oh, maybe later. I've got to find a friend.
Fantastic! Tell Narwhal to come play too.
Hi, Mr. Blowfish.
Sorry, Jelly. Can't talk now. I'm on the shell phone with my chum, Miss Fishy. What was that? You said, Miss Fishy?
Woohoo! Wee! Best birthday ever! Boy! Ball!
Ha ha ha. Good one, Miss Fishy.
There has got to be someone who needs a friend. Oh, crab. Hey, crab. How's it going? Heard any good jokes lately? I've got one. Why did the fish cross the sea? Give up? To get to the other tide.
Scram, Smelly.
Hump, you make a terrible friend, Crab. I bet even that rock would be a better friend than you. That's it. Rocky, I think you're going to be one rock-solid friend.
Strawberry Sidekick versus the Deviled Egg by Jelly and Rocky. Super Waffle and Strawberry Sidekick are the greatest duo ever. No one can stand in their way. That is until Waffle meets Egg. Suddenly, things aren't so super for Strawberry.
You crack me up, Egg.
Wahaha! Poor Strawberry is completely ignored. And there's something rotten about that egg. Close your eyes, Waffle. I have an excellent surprise for you. This way. I've cooked up something extraordinary for you. Ha ha ha! Everything is going exactly as planned.
Strawberry Sidekick to the rescue! I knew you were a bad egg.
Egg tries to scramble out, but it's too hard.
You saved me. You're not only my berry best bud, you're my hero.
Egg's plan have been boiled or foiled. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family.